Hey everyone, we're back with another Tech Tuesday video. This time we're actually going to go over SAMS Technical Publishing. It's a website that's really good for people who are into antiquing, repairing televisions, different types of electronics. They have the manuals. A lot of times when we get something brand new, we just kind of toss the manual and then we're just like, oh, I just need a bulb or something else needs to be just fixed or something you could possibly do on your own. This is a great website for you to look up the model of whatever brand of appliance you're looking at, and it will definitely give you the booklet manual to see what types of parts and things like that that you need to use for that particular item. So as always, we're going to go to our website, mapld.org. We're going to go to research and learning. We're going to go to A to Z list, and we're going to scroll all the way down to SAMS Technical Publishing. When you click on it, it's going to ask for your library card and PIN. So if you do not have your PIN or your PIN is not working, please do not hesitate to either call us at 708-748-4431 right here. You can email us at mtslib@mapld.org, or you can use our virtual assistant chat right here. Just go ahead and open this, click on that, type in your question, and the librarian will be there to help you navigate the website and access your PIN too. So once again, research and learning, A to Z list. We're going to go to SAMS Technical Publishing. Once you click on it, it'll ask you for your library card and PIN, and this is what you will see. So different types of manuals you can see here: search by brands, types of manuals, index of references, request a manual. So if there's something you don't see, you can always request it. You can download the manuals to your computer. So for this example, I was going to use model, and then I was going to use HP. So looking for a television, I have my model number, but sometimes it's easier for you just to kind of go down to see which one it is. So HP, PL, see if I can find it. Looking for specific plasma television. Did a little Google search and I wanted to see if I could find the manual for this particular one. It's kind of typed in HP itself. Let's see if it brings up the manual. Nope. Let's see. Model. PL4260N. No, let's just go with brand. Let's see if that works. Brand HP. Ah, there you go. Ah, and here it is. So PL4260N. Let's go ahead and click on that. So it's for HP. See right here. So what you do is once you're here at this page, you can actually click on it, or once you automatically get to this page, it will download. Here you can see right here subscription, so you could do instant download, and it'll download a PDF version of the item for you. So the problem that I had when I was looking this up right now is I forgot to switch it to brand. Brand is HP, it wasn't the model. So when I did the model, I was looking for HP, all different types of models on it. And sometimes when you put the model number, it won't always come up with this particular brand. So I like to go through brands first. So if it's Samsung or it's LG, just go through brand first and then just kind of go down to your model. You can actually skip some pages because it will be in alphabetical order. So as I said, like, this is the one we're looking at. So you just want the regular manual. So you can see that, oops, that brings up the other one, sorry. I'm gonna go to item. And then you're gonna click on subscription. When you do, give it a few seconds, a little pop-up will come up at the bottom of your computer, and that'll be downloading the file for you. When the file opens and it's done, it'll see this. It's a high definition plasma TV service manual. And it'll give you all the information you need pertaining to this particular product. So basic information, operations, removal, replacements. And this is the part where if you're one of those repair guys or girls and you were looking for a particular part and you wanted to figure out what you need, it actually shows you how to remove to certain areas of the device and then how to diagnose certain issues that you're having. So if you're having like an LED, light went out, remote control's not working, there's a sensor not working, for example, you can always find it in diagnostics and so forth. So troubleshooting, Like I said, remote control, functioning keys, audios, things like that. So some people have the patience to do these things, and these are the manuals you use. And the manuals they go over a wide variety of different types of products, refrigerators, microwaves, and they do a lot of older types of tube televisions back in the day. They do actually have those VCRs, radios, and things like that. So all you got to do is know the brand or model, like I said. Go back to manuals, go back to search, and go ahead and type in. As you can see, they have like Mazda, General Motors. So they even have like car things if in case you need it. But it's very simple, easy to use. And it's great for those who are into the repair business and you're just trying to figure things out, or just trying to tinker with some things too. So remember, just go to our website, mapod.org, have your library card and your PIN ready to use. Go to Research and Learning, A to Z list, scroll all the way down to SAMS Technical Publishing, and you're all set to go. If you have any problems with your PIN or your card or just the database itself, you can always give us a call here, email us, or use our Let's Talk virtual assistant app right there. But that's about it. Okay, so until then, see you guys later. Be safe, be healthy.